Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat. It's called a window belt molding removal tool. This is super nice. When you're driving around your car, you notice that the window moldings are starting to get dry rotted and cracked and you're getting moisture that goes into your door. You want to replace those door moldings. To do that, use a tool like this. It's got a little hooky-do there. So you slide it right along your window, right here. Goes under, grabs onto that molding. You can slide it right up and peel it up. We also sell a window molding lubricant. This is great for either installation or removal of your window moldings. It's going to help this tool do its job in a more efficient manner. If you need these or any other tools, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.